Hey friends, if you wish to know more about local, and roaming folders in AppData on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So press Windows plus R and type percentage AppData percentage and hit enter. This will take you to the AppData roaming folder. Now step 1 back and you'll find 3 folders. The first one is for local files which are on your system. The next one is for local low files. This will include a few software products, but not all of them. And the third one is for roaming. Okay. You won't find a lot of applications here, so most of the applications are in the local folder. If you delete a folder associated with any of these, you're not deleting the software itself, but only the temporary files associated with it. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.